You're going to update the HTML in this method as well. Set the text content of the cart subtotal to be the value of subtotal to a fixed two decimal places. Use template literal syntax to add the dollar sign to the beginning of the value. So we know that we have declared a cart subtotal in here. There it is. It is assigned to a get element ID. And we are to call that variable in here. Cart subtotal, and then interpolate the method text content. And then we assign a template literal which, pardon my French, which is achieved with the backticks, and then a dollar sign and a curly braces. And inside in our template literal is where we access also the value of subtotal. And then it says here, where is it? To fix, make the subtotal to a fixed in a two decimal places. So we have to use the method to fixed. So we have to interpolate the to fixed to convert the value in a two decimal places. Therefore, the inside of the parentheses of the to fixed is number, is the value 2. So wait, I think we have missing here. Oh, it says here, use the template literal. We indeed used it to add the dollar sign at the beginning of the volume. So it should be in here. Nope. So we have accessed a cart subtotal variable, which is an accessed HTML via get element by ID, and then use a property text content in order for us to modify this element cart subtotal. And then it is assigned to a template literal with a dollar sign on the beginning. So this is our template literal, which is typically used to insert a value from somewhere. So this is our, this would be our value here. So it would be located in this code. So anyways, that would be it. Nice.